All right. After getting 0 responses from the Burton team on how to fix the Riglet Reel, I also searched the YouTube for some answers. Got none, but thing just popped off. Literally out of the box, popped off, and we are going on a ski trip tomorrow, and we need it to be fixed, right? Okay, so it's pretty easy mechanism. Thing popped off. It's in a couple different pieces. I got 2 washers here.
After dinner.
All right. So what you're gonna want to do is pop off this little, I don't have the right tools, but you can just pop off this little thing that says out. Pop that off really carefully because there's a little bit of a wire tension, not really wire, I don't know what it's called. It's like a tension spring. I'll be editing this a little bit. Okay. Oh, the thing just popped off, right? Okay. So you're probably gonna need to get some pliers, but there's this little tension reel in here. Check it out, like twisty thing. And if you can see, it's got like a little half moon on the end of it. You're gonna thread that little. You're gonna twist it up super tight. Twist, 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 twist. I think the tighter it is, probably the better tension you're gonna have when you let go of it. Okay, that's just common sense, right? All right, hold on to it, squeeze it. Reel up your thread. All right, so we got it reeled up. That's probably what we should have done first, and then. So you can take the little, whatever you call it, spring. Just give it a couple rotations. Probably easier for my hand here. Let's see if I can. See, yeah. Kind of creating a little bit more tension in there, because that's what's gonna help you keep it, reeling in, hence the name reel. All right, so it's kind of tight, like cutting my fingers, but you're gonna place it back in. And if you could kind of see that little slit right there, so that is where you're going to pop this on. And then make sure that that little hook gets threaded. I'll show you once I've done it here. Okay, just hold everything in place because otherwise they'll get unraveled again. And then I'm just gonna give it a little squeeze so that it's wrapped up tight. In theory, this should work. If it doesn't work, setting it back. Boom. All right, there you go. Reeled up, threaded. It's got some tension on it. I think this is gonna work. Kind of test it before you close everything back up, but. All right, just like that. Pop that little piece back on. Comes with a couple washers. I have no idea where they're supposed to go, but I'm just assuming that they're gonna go. They're probably, realistically, I should have popped it on before. Before I threaded this, but whatever. All right, I'll just put them together. 2 washers, never did anybody harm. Pop it back on. Boom. Kind of fixed. It's a little bit limp, but it works better than it did about 10 minutes ago. So there you have it. Riglet fix. Let's hit the slopes.